Peter Von Panda here. Yippee-ki-yay, Panda Nation. Well, I did not know this book existed, and I am so excited to pick it up. It is the Die Hard Christmas book. You might remember the original one in Nakatomi Plaza. Look at this book. It's a hardcover and illustrated. Die Hard Christmas. Oh, written by Doogie Howser. Just kidding. It says Horner. All right. Reginald Johnson. And I just thought I would pick this up to take a quick look at it, see what it's all about. I'm kind of curious. Did they make the whole thing, the whole movie here? Oh my gosh, it's a poem. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and up in the tower, everyone was partying except one wallflower. John McClane. There he is, Mrs. Wife, Holly. This is when I loved Body Bedelia. She was smoking hot. And look, here come the bad guys. Hans Gruber on the rockets, Nakatomi Plaza. Look at this. So far, there he is, just chilling out. Dude, this is funny. It's like, so far, like the whole movie. I'm obviously not going to read all this, but it's funny because it's all like a Christmas poem. Now I'll have a machine gun. Ho, ho, ho. I love it. Dude, this is crazy. This is funny. I did not know it was going to be like a total retelling of the story, as well as in the Christmas rhyme format. And I will tell you what's also kind of interesting to me is that if it's basically the whole story, you know, in like a 30 or 40 page book, I'm kind of having a realization that screenplays are, I don't know, a little bit Spartan. And I guess most movies are kind of filler and action scenes. So who would have thunk it? Hey, if you want to pick up this Die Hard Christmas book and celebrate Christmas the way it's meant to be celebrated, check it out in the link in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out!